My brand new Ultra 300X wrecked. See, we got bent handlebars. See how the handlebars bent? Got a missing mirror right here. This is all cracked all the way down. All this is busted up. All kind of Riva upgrades, racing kits, water box, down the drain. I wasn't riding it though. It was my homegirl Heather. She was riding it. She was doing maybe like 75, and she say it was some debris or whatever in the lake. She swerved, ran into my homeboy's boat, fell off. Her body actually bent the handlebars like that. She punctured her lung. They had to remove her spleen, internal bleeding, kidney damage, and it was cut. But she's okay. This happened July 1st, which was my birthday, and she just went home yesterday. So insurance gonna come check it out tomorrow. The quote came up to like $9,200, but had some Mexicans say they can fix it for $900, but I don't think I'm gonna let them do that. So my best bet is to order a whole nother body, which is $3,200, and swap everything over. But yeah, very pissed. Everybody's okay, but it's all busted up. It's all good though. It'll be back on the road, and I got more upgrades to do to it, so hell, why not?